gonna be doing a small seafood boil with Jalea.
Hi guys, my name is Jalea, and today I am having my mom's seafood boil. Spicy too. And I can't wait to eat it. It is so good. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. And I like to play, and this is also really good too. And I like crab too. But sometimes I can't open it, so I will try. I think I'm getting it. And Mommy, I need scissors.
How about you try something else until I get scissors?
Woohoo! Okay, I got scissors to open this big crab.
Is it too big?
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah.
So what did you do today?
I played.
Where did you go?
I went at the Fun Factory.
Oh, cool. Are you excited to go back to school?
Yeah.
Because it's March break, so it's going to be over soon.
Over soon?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
They don't give you a long time.
Why?
I don't know.
And this is so good.
So good. Okay.
Ah! I don't know if I can open
You
this.
have your napkin there, okay?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And so good. And whoa. I don't think I can open this.
You can show it to them.
Wow.
Show it.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
This is so good. La 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 la.
Was it spicy?
No.
You're lying. So why are you doing? Lies. Lies.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Wow, look at that. Look at all that crap. This is so good. Were you looking at me?
No?
This is so good. I think I'm almost done.
What about your potato and shrimp?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat them. And then take the potato. No, I got the potato. Okay, now I'm gonna eat my shrimp. Woohoo! It is so good. Look inside of there. Do you see that, guys? This is so good. This is like so good. Number 2. I hope I got another potato, because these potatoes are so good. Yeah, it's a little spicy. And I also got pineapple juice because this is my favorite. What's that black thing? You guys know? I don't know if I'm going to eat that part. I think I should take it out. I have no idea what it is. Oh, I got it out. I don't even know what that thing is. But I'm just going to put it right there. Anyways, back to eating the shrimp. This is so much butter. And that is it. Bye, guys.